Alright, so day 3 looks no better than day 1 or day 2. Matter of fact, I'm a little nervous to go a little further because it looks like a few blocks down there's like a stuck van or something up there. Can't really make too many turns over here because yeah, our good old mayor, Mr. Bloomberg, decided that he doesn't want to send the plows out or something. I don't know. That's what it seems like. Because this is Pitkin Avenue, a major thoroughfare in East New York that still has not seen the plow probably since snow first started to fall. That's my only estimation of this. So like, I really don't know whether I should back up or what right now. Yeah, it looks like the guy in front of me is backing up. He's backing up with some speed. Let me go back myself. Because it looks like he's going to attempt to go down. What's this, Dosha? Oh, he's making a U-turn. Alright, I might do the same. Ooh, let me... What do you expect me to do, B? I don't know where you're in such a hurry to. Alright, let me make room for this FedEx truck here. Ooh! Can you come out? Could have went straight. Okay, so I'm able to get through to a point. I mean, yeah, I have 4-wheel drive, but this is still ridiculous though. And there's like a van that's like stuck in the middle of Pitkin Avenue right now. I mean, I'm gonna say it, you know, I just don't think. I think Mike Bloomberg doesn't care about black people. Oh shit! What the hell? Yeah, what the hell? That's everything. Yeah, dude almost got taken underneath his car, man. See, this is why no one wants to go anywhere. You know, like, This is bananas. This is like a major street here. And like the plow hasn't even looked at this street, it seems like. And then like cars are coming around as if, you know, you're not gonna get stuck, you know. It's driving kind of wild here. Fucking little kids, man. I'm gonna see if this guy can make it. If he makes it across, then I'll follow behind him. Yeah. Yeah. Nah, he's fucking gonna fuck me up. Go, 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 go. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Alright, there we go. We're good to go now. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was. That's why I didn't get close, but it's still not that good, though. This is not good at all. Why is he stopping? Fuck. He's gonna get us all stuck now. Shit. And then people like floor it and shit, like that's how you get out of the snow, by flooring it. That's not how you get out of the snow. Okay. I didn't know the BMW cars were all-wheel drive too. Yeah. Had to get around with that dude. It's like he was going to cause something else. So now we come across, looks like a charter bus that is just literally laying across the street here. But I don't know if I can go any further down Pitkin, as the street is now blocked because the plow looked like it came through. So we're gonna go take a detour and go down to Sutter now. Oh, the plows are finally coming down these side streets here. Wow, what is that? This is new. I feel bad for these people. Take their car out. It's gonna take like a militia of people, yes, to get that out. It's my street, Belmont. Looks like the plow finally came through there. People crossing. Hey, smile for you too, people. Look like NYPD there. Is that NYPD in the street? Are you allowed to video record while driving? Or is that something that you're not allowed to do? Just in case, tuck the camera down. So there's like 6 cops standing over here at Sutter and Fountain. What the hell happened to his car? Looks like it overheated, maybe. I'm waiting. The light does happen to be red. Yeah, so I'll put my camera down for the meantime. Until we figure out what this guy is going to do. Okay, so it looks like Sutter is closed. Alright, so much for Sutter. We'll try another approach. I think I'll go back up to New Lots, go up to Pennsylvania, and then Pitkin that way, maybe. Oh, there's the guy who just came off Sutter. It looks like his car died again. Okay. Cool whip. That's cool. Okay, so he's gonna go now, finally. Ah, there goes the plow. Not plowing. What is the point? If you're not gonna be doing what the verb of the name of your vehicle means. Ooh, she's hot. Smell for the camera. Another hot chick shovel. Hot chicks are semi-useful, I guess. Alright, they're very useful. Just not for shoveling the snow, though. Alright, here we go to New Lots. Is that the B-15 up there? I think it is. Alright, people are walking dead in the middle of the street. Alright. So this guy said there's no pass-through. So I'm just going to kick it into reverse and just go back. Doesn't make sense to get stuck. Thank you. And then this guy sees me coming. So yes, that was the B-15 up there. About to make a call to my boys, so we're gonna end this tape here.